Hello, my friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Um, Today I'm gonna show you how to fix my this pod, AirPod. What happened is that I bought this one and I was using this, but I dropped it. I dropped it in I dropped one, and and it it breaks. So as you see right here, and this is the cable that is disconnected. It disconnect when I drop it. So now I need to solder back to in order to work. Also, you have to make sure when you close it back, to close it the right ways. Other ways, when you put it in the little box, it won't fit. So you see, right there is charging. But if you don't close it right, then when you put it back for to charge, then it won't fit. So you need to make sure you close it the right way. Okay, to do this job, we're gonna need this something to cut the cable. We need solder cable, and we need this one. I have this Haco. It's a little one, but it's very powerful, and I like it. So we're gonna use this to solder back, okay, to fix it. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. This video is for education purpose only. If this one is not, it's not Apple, okay, so it's just like at $30. And but if you have an Apple and you think you cannot fix it by yourself, you should go to Apple Store and tell them if it can they can fix it, because I think the Apple brand is so expensive. So I'm just telling you that, okay? So let's start. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. This is the one that is fine. Okay, but this one, the first thing we need to do is to make sure knows where the cable goes. So this white cable connects right here, okay, because I can see the other parts of the cable. So this white cable connects here. So what I'm going to do is try to cut the plastic around the cable here and put it together and then solder it back, okay? So to do that, we need to cut this cable a little bit. Be careful, because if you cut it the whole cable, then it's gonna be too short. So we just need to cut the plastic. So I'm gonna do that right here. It's not easy because it's so tiny, but I'm gonna try to do it. See, there is the cable, but I need to cut it the other side now. Okay. Okay, you see? Got it a little bit the plastic around. So now let's try to solder this back. So this cable goes right here. Let me see. Just right there. But it's not gonna be easy because, like I said, it's too tiny. Okay, let me try to pass this one to the other side. There you go. You have to be careful also that don't burn the blue cable. Okay. Right there. Let me see if I can do it. Oh, but I need to apply solder to this right here. What I do is I just go here. Okay, there is some solder. Be very careful and don't burn the blue cable or something else, okay? Okay, I think that's it. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, looks okay. Okay, so now let's try to close it, okay? You see the little thing right here? This, see, like a hook, goes right there. Let me show you. See right here? This one need to go inside, but let me show you. Okay. This one right here, I don't know if you can see it, but look at right here, this part right here. Go connected with this part. So that's the way you connect it, because otherwise, if you connect it the wrong way, then it won't charge inside the little box. So this thing is in the way all the time. Okay, so that's the way you fix it. Okay, you see, now they look the same. So let me try now to see if it goes inside the box. Okay, so that's the way you fix it. And I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have a channel I will subscribe to, give me a like, check my other videos, and leave me comments, ask me questions. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Thank you.